A very good morning to all my fellow colleagues as well as the students of first year engineering and also the parents. Uh, I am very happy to initiate this inaugural program. Today, we are beginning with the introduction of प्रिंसिपल, वाइस प्रिंसिपल, एचओडीज एंड ऑल
पीछे
डीन्स.
से बात करते हैं लोग तो आपकी आवाज बहुत आती थी उधर, लेकिन वो तो अनअवॉइडेबल था.
यस मैडम. हेलो हेलो मैडम.
यस सर, यस.
यस यस. Today we are going to have introduction of principal, honorable principal, vice principal, all deans, HODs, faculty, and after that, formal inauguration of first year engineering is going to take place. So for the same, I am going to invite Professor Monali More Madam and Gauri Bhoite Madam, who are going to shoulder the responsibility of anchoring. So over to Monali More Madam. More Madam, good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, madam, you are audible, please.
So, welcome all of you here. So now I can say that you are now VPKBITians from this day onwards. So I welcome all of you to this beautiful campus. I am Monali More, working as assistant professor in electronics and telecommunication department from last 10 years. So as being now you are being the family member. So when we welcome any new member in our family, so what the tradition we follow, we introduce that new member to the members that is present in our family. So I'm here to introduce you with all the HODs of different departments, all the deans of our institute, admin officer, vice principal, principal in this session. So are you ready to improve this word? Are you excited?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So probably
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, thank you for responding. So probably after pandemic, you probably are little worried, little tense to join this campus offline mode, because from last 2 years you were attending the classes in online mode. So let's be excited to start this particular journey of your life. And I can say that this will be the most precious years of your life, where your life will mold into a different shape. So are you ready to improve the world?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Being a VPKBIT, I welcome you into in our family. So just for a sec, I will turn off the video and I will share the screen, and let me introduce to you to HODs of different department. As I said, all the deans of our institute, our training and placement officer, admin officer, vice principal, and principal sir. So let me share the screen. So I hope screen is visible. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So good morning to everyone present here, our staff members, teachers, and all our students. So after almost 2 years, and after 2 years of silent and empty classes, I'm so delighted today to welcome you back to our institute in offline mode. So this presentation will introduce you with our institute and with the faculties of our institute. So this is all about the VPKBIT. So As the line indicates, our college is consistently among the top 5 colleges of the Savitribai Phule University in examination result. So vision is available. Vision and mission is there. On the slide, I request everyone just mute your. I request everyone to mute from your side. So this is our VP. So this institute prepare the student to think globally, act locally, involve individually, and systemize the institutional to meet emerging industrial and social needs. So this is the vision and mission of our institute, and we all focus on this particular points which is available on the slide. So in our institute, we have total 7 departments: electronics and telecommunication, computer engineering, information technology, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, civil engineering. The new branch that has been introduced from last year, artificial intelligence and data science, and obviously your department, that is first year engineering. So let me introduce to all the HODs of your department. So first of all, let's start with the ENTC, as I'm working with this department. So for this particular department, our HOD name is Dr. Balasaheb Patil. He is a HOD, assistant professor in electronics and telecommunication engineering. If I want to give the brief about the sir, so sir has received International Scientist and Brace Researcher Award.
Monali madam. Hello madam.
Any level, you can just feel free, you can meet him and you can share all your difficulties of your life. So he is been working as a HOD of electronics and telecommunication engineering. Sir has almost more than 50 papers in international and national journals. He has he has been worked on the reviewer of in international and national conferences for the paper. So the official email ID and his personal email ID is available on the slide. So he is a HOD of electronics and telecommunication engineering. And with the line, I will move forward to the next department, that just feel free to share any difficulty of your life with him. He will be the best guide and best mentor, I can assure you that. The next branch is computer engineering, and Dr. Chaitanya Kulkarni is working as a HOD of the computer engineering branch. Sir is having almost more than the 12 years of teaching experience and 5 years of teaching experience for the PG student. Sir has did many SCTPs, QIP programs that was sponsored by the Bombay, IIT Bombay, AICT, IST, and the University of Pune. Sir has shouldered the many responsibilities, like he has reviewed and examined the PG students' thesis and the seminar. So he is been working as a HOD of computer engineering. So the people from the computer branch, he will be your guide. Next branch is information technology, and Dr. Sheetal Takle is working as a HOD of information technology branch. Ma'am has qualified GATE 2 times. She has published her research paper in ACM and Springer Journal. She has also presented her paper in USA. So she's been working with our institute now, licensed from 2002. Her research interests are wave mining and information retrieval. So the student from information technology, she will be your mentor throughout your graduation. Next branch is mechanical engineering. HOD for this particular branch, Dr. Sachin Bhosle, is working as a head of the department. So sir has been deputed to the Michigan Technology, USA. He has been awarded by the 26 Business School Affairs and Devang Mehta National Education Award for the educational leadership. Sir has also awarded for the outstanding Dean's Award for the outstanding scholarship. Sir has also awarded as a summer faculty research fellowship at IIT Delhi. And sir will be the perfect person to guide you to study in abroad with different universities, because sir has done his PhD from the Michigan University, which is there in USA. So sir is Dr. Sachin Bhosle is the head of the department of mechanical engineering. Let's move to the next department, electrical engineering. So Mr. Rohit Tarde is working as the head of the department of electrical engineering branch. His research interests are wind speed forecasting, energy efficient drives, smart distribution grid, and the hybrid electrical vehicles. Sir is currently pursuing his PhD in VNIT Nagpur. Sir has taught so many subjects, and sir is always friendly with the student. So students are comfortable with him in studies as well as in the personal problems. So he's been working as an in charge HOD for branch electrical engineering department. So next department is civil engineering. So Dr. Chitranjan Nayak, he's working as the head of the civil engineering department. So if I want to say anything about him, then I must tell you that sir has published more than 30 papers in national and international journals. In his credit, he has attended 30 national and 15 international conferences and 30 workshops in different streams of civil engineering. Sir has also received the Young Scientist and Teacher travel grant for attending the international conference at University of Pardenia, Sri Lanka. So if you want to publish any research paper, if you want to write any proposal, sir will be the best guide for that. So again, Dr. Chittaranjan Nayak, head of the department, civil engineering branch. His research interests are there on the slide, and he works on the structural engineering. He has been work majorly on the structural engineering. This is a new branch that our institute has been initiated last year, from last academic year, artificial intelligence and data science. So Mr. Dinesh Jhende is working as the head of the department for this branch. Sir is pursuing his PhD, and his research interests are operating system, machine learning, image processing, and application and data mining. Sir was the advisor for IEEE Bombay Session Symposium in 2016. Sir has also chaired the session on the machine learning in IBSS that was held in December 16 at VPKBIT. So being an AIDS student, sir will be your mentor throughout your graduation journey. Now next move to your department. So you are admitted in first year engineering department, and Dr. Aparna Sajjan working as the head of this first year engineering department. She has completed her chemistry in PhD in chemistry. Ma'am also has n number of research publication in national and international journals. Ma'am has almost completed more than 10 NPTEL courses conducted by the different IITs with 5% topper, 2 silver and other elite certification. She has completed more than 23 FDP, STTP, QIP workshop and orientation program that has been conducted by the different institution. Ma'am also has her YouTube channel and she has uploaded more than 25 videos on the YouTube. Ma'am has also completed the many courses that was offered by the Coursera and EDX. So she will be your mentor for this particular year. So you can feel free to ask any doubt, any difficulty to her. She will be there. She will be available there 24/7 for your difficulties to solve your problems. So Dr. Aparna Sajjan, she is working as the head of the department of first year engineering branch. Now let me introduce to the dean of our institute for different session. So first of all, the dean academic, sir has shouldered the responsibility like head of the department of first year engineering in last academic year. Now he is working as a dean academics. Anything that is related to the academics, any program that is related to academics and which was organized for the student by the institute or by the other institute, sir will look after to those program. Sir always motivates and inspires the student to be part of the all academics activities. So sir will be the dean. Sir will be handling the dean academics responsibility. So if you have any question related to the academic program, or if you have any suggestion regarding the academic program, you feel free to suggest him anything and to ask any difficulty to him. So depending upon your requirement, the programs will be designed by the institute under his guidance. Dr. Anil Hivrekar is working as Dean Academics of VPKB IET. And I really want to highlight that sir also has his YouTube channel and the videos related to the math on the YouTube channel. So if you find any difficulties, you can go to that YouTube channel. You can listen to the lectures and your doubt will be solved. Dr. Parshuram Chitraka sir, he is working as a Dean Alumni. So alumni is the one who has been graduated from this institute year, 2 year or many years back. So sir is always in a touch with the alumni of our institute. Sir is in a touch with the alumni who is working on the respectable position in different industry, or who might have been working on working in their studies, who went for the abroad for the higher studies like MS or PhD. Sir is in touch with the alumni, and sir always invite the alumni to guide you for the future, the progress of your future, because it's always pleasing experience listening to your seniors. No author, no any big person can motivate you as like your seniors do. So sir is in always touch with your seniors, and with their suggestions the programs are organized for you by them or through them. So sir is working as the Dean Alumni of our institute. Dr. Rajveer Shastri is working as a Dean R&D. R&D stands for Research and Development Center. So if you want to do the research in any area, being the first year graduate, first year student, you probably are not aware with the areas where you can work when you move towards the branch in second year. But once you will get the clear ideas of the areas where you can work for your research, then sir will be the best guide for you. Sir has so many publication in international and national journals. He also went to the USA for the presentation, and sir will be looking after all the activities that is done under the research and development of the students. So he will be the best mentor if you want to do something in research and development domain. So underwater and biomedical signal processing is a major research area where he has worked a lot. So Dr. Rajveer Shastri is working as the Dean R&D of our institute. Dr. Dinesh Hansate is working as a Dean IIIC, which stands for Institute Industry Interaction Center. So whenever being a student, you must have the clear idea about what kind of work you are going to do when you graduate from this particular institute. So sir is always in touch with the people working in the industry. They ask their requirement and they organizes the seminars, workshop, FDPs, STTPs, or any other activities where the student can fulfill the requirement of the industries. So sir is always in touch with the industry person, and with their guidance, with their instructions or suggestions, the programs will be organized for the first year or the graduation student at different department level or at institute level. So Dr. Dinesh Hansate is working as Dean IIIC, and he is a faculty from the computer engineering branch. Mr. Hanumant Burate, sir is working as a student development officer, and this is the one of the important role of our institute. Sir is pursuing his PhD in mechanical department. Now, what are the activities that is we are conducting under his guidance? The n number of activities which are technical, non-technical for the student development. There is one major activity is earn and learn. Means you can work for the few hours and you can earn enough for your daily expenses. If you are needy, if you are economically weak, then sir is there to help you with the scheme, and that scheme is the major activity under this particular role, and that scheme is earn and learn and earn. So sir will be the best guide to help you financially, and sir is the best guide to organize any program that is related to the student development, your own development. So feel free to share your difficulty with Mr. Hanumant Burate sir, who is working as a student development officer of VP KB IET. Sir is being associated with mechanical department. Now let's move toward the next slide. And this is the very important role, and that role is training and placement officer. Mr. H.S. Kumbhar, who is from the faculty from the mechanical engineering. Right now he is doing the pursuing the PhD in mechanical domain. Sir is working as training and placement officer of our institute, especially VPKB IET, that is our engineering institute. So Sir plays very important role as far as the placements are concerned. Just sir is another person along with the Dr. Hansate sir who is in touch with the industry person. They organize many programs like training the student at for aptitude test, preparing our student for personal interviews or GD, or developing their personality. That is very important because the industry has also required the perfect personality. So all the events which is technical or non-technical but very important for your placement, that is handled by Mr. H.S. Kumar sir. Next slide is central TPO. So Mr. Vishal Kori is working as a central TPO. Central means he is looking for the training and placement activity of all the VP campus. It's not only about the engineering, it's all about the plain graduation, BSc, MSc, law. So he is working as the central training and placement officer for VP campus. So sir has played a very important role to improve the placement of this particular institute. Since the sir has joined the institute in last 4 years, the graph of the placement is improved a lot. So I hope that you have heard or read the news about the placement of VP KBIT. More than 1050 students has been placed for the different in different institute, in different industries in last few years. So this is along with the H.S. Kumar sir along with the Vishal Kore sir is working as a training and placement activities of our institute. Next important person of your life is our librarian, Mrs. Purnima Sarode. Mrs. Purnima Sarode is working as a librarian of this beautiful campus, and I wish that many of you have visited this particular campus, probably for your registration, probably for your admission in offline mode. So you have seen the library. So she is taking care of our books, and she is very humble and always ready to cooperate you, to help you to find out the book or to make available. If any book is not available for a long time, and if you request her, I can assure that she will manage and available that book to you as per your requirement. So ma'am is working as a librarian of our department, our institute. So if you have any difficulty regarding the issuing the books or submitting the book before or on time, so feel free to contact her. She is sitting in a library itself, and she maintains the peace and beauty of library. So next important position of our institute is admin officer, and I know that 90% of you have probably you heard about him or you met him. So Mr. Satish Taure is working as an admin officer, and he's been working with the institute from the beginning, from the first day when the VPKBIT has been established. He's been the part of our institute from the first day of this particular infrastructure. So when if you have any difficulty regarding your anything about your campus, just you can go to him and you feel free to share your difficulties with the Taure sir. Next important position of our institute is the vice principal. So I would be glad to share here. Sir is from the electronics and telecommunication branch. So Dr. Sudhir Lande is working as the vice principal of our institute. Sir has published more than 40 research papers in various national and international conferences, 23 of his research papers are available on the Google Scholar, 14 are in IEEE library, and 1 in SCISCO, 2 in a Scopus journal, 3 in H indexing, and 2 in I-10 indexing. So his 2 papers have received more than 20 citation. His research gate score is 22.85, and sir have been more than 250 citations. He has also published the 2 books. One is Electromagnetic Field and another is a Linear Electronic Circuit. And it is published by the Spectrum Publication, Nagpur. Sir has also received the CMOL 20 license. That is worth, the price of that particular license is worth of $48,000. So sir is a faculty from the Electronics and Telecommunication branch, and sir is working as a vice principal of our institute. And the very important person throughout your graduation is head of this particular institute, that is our principal, sir. So Dr. Ranjan Kumar Bichkar, he is working as a principal of our VPKBIT. I'm again glad to share that he's also from the Electronics and Telecommunication branch. Sir has published more than 50 research papers in national and international conferences and journals. Almost 7 students have completed the PhD under his guidance in electronics and telecommunication, as well as his computer engineering field. And currently, more than 6 students have been registered with him under the Savitribai Phule Pune University. Sir has published 4 books. And the name of those, sir has published 4 books, and 2 of which are currently in circulation. And those books are Programming with the C, and next book is Programming with the C and Data Structure by Universities Press. If I want to explain anything about sir assign you a task and he's ready to work with you. It might happen that you probably get tired, but sir will not get tired. So you don't have any option. If you ask any doubt, be ready that you have to work more than your 100% with him. Sir is a person, after having lots of experience handling the major responsibility of this particular institute, sir still, even currently also, sir is writing the code more than the 1,000 lines. So we are blessed with the perfect leader for this particular institute, Dr. Ranjan Kumar Bichkar, and he is there to guide you, to mentor you, to show you the right path for your career. But requirement is you have to listen to him and make sure that you will give more than your 100% if you want to work with him, or if you want to follow his instruction for your future. So on this note and with this presentation, I welcome all of you. Welcome to be the VPKBITians. So we can't wait to see all of your smiling faces again. So let's walk down to our hallways to great year, filled with the new learning, learning new things. Let's work together and let's have lots of fun. So I, Monali More, welcome all of you to create lifetime memories with this beautiful campus. All of you, all the deans, all the HOD, all the faculties, share your difficulties, to share your worries, to share your tensions.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Thank you so much. So now, sir.
Bouquet madam.
So now, sir.
Have you joined the
Yes,
session?
yes, I am here.
Thank you, Mona Madam, for brief introduction of all HOD Dean, and our support system. Thank you so much. Sonali sir,
Yes, madam.
yes, I request all the students, you can ask your parents to join the next session, inaugural session. Okay, parents also can attend the inaugural session. So all students, ask your parents to attend the session with you, along with you, or on different device also. Okay, because in inaugural session, HOD madam and Dean Academic are going to brief you about the academic activities. Okay, so all students, please inform your parents to join the inaugural session. Okay. Okay, over to you, sir. Sonali.
Sir, continue with the inaugural program. Bouquet madam.
Mona madam, please stop your sharing.